Okay, XRP. So I did consider a buy position previously on Ripple here, but clearly did not validate it, did not break the zone, did not reject it at all. So that is out of question. The fact that it broke this area is huge now. So now, like, this zone here is going to function as resistance, and it's going to have a tougher time breaking it for sure. So we'll delete these. We'll keep this one in mind. This is still bullish. It's way above this moving average still, so it's just pulling back heavily. So, but these are all pretty small candles in comparison. So I'm curious what this might pull back to. Even if we look at this full section here, I mean, this is where it actually kind of might add up. So this complete area here, you can see price is sitting right at this 618 now. So this might be where it ends, but we don't know yet. This might take a few days to set up, but for price to come, this full segment came all the way up here. Now it's pulling back and it's finding resistance at this 618 level, which is about 61.51. You can see these last three candles, including today, have not really broken this level, even though there was a bunch of momentum going into it. It hasn't really broken 61.51 right here. So this tells me it could be using this as support now, but again, we don't know yet. I'm going to mark this month here. So, I mean, I would be looking for a buy position on this still, just because it is above this moving average. You can see this candle here, so massive. So in my mind, I'm still looking to buy this. Where exactly, I don't know yet. You can see it's kind of, it's still making lower lows, and it's below this moving average. So I wouldn't look for a buy yet, but I would consider, let's see what it looks like on the 1 hour. Once price breaks this 1 hour moving average, which it is very below it, like it's quite a bit of ways below it right now. Once price breaks up above this moving average, so it's got to catch up to it. Let's say it catches up to it right here, and then it's got to break above. Then I'd probably be looking for a buy position if everything else aligns. I just think that this is still very bullish, but I think it's just pulling back, and so we'll see if it finds, I mean, it's at its major level right now. The 618 level, you can see it is kind of rejecting. So we'll see how today closes, and then you're looking for something like this back up to probably, I mean, I would target this area for sure, this 82-cent level. You're looking at something like this, but it might take a few days to set up. So we'll just leave it like this, and we'll just see what it does. I don't see any real resistance yet setting up. I mean, we can draw this just for fun, but oh, that's not what I want. This is what I want. We can draw this for fun, but it's not really significant yet. Maybe it will be. But yeah, this is my take on XRP, on Ripple. We'll see what it does. I'm still very bullish. It's way above this moving average. I mean, you can't have a candle like this and then not consider it bullish. So these candles, these bear candles, are getting weaker as it comes down, so it's a good sign that maybe momentum switching. I mean, I'd like to see today close and then maybe tomorrow have a nice bullish engulfing candle that's bigger than these. It'd be really nice if it was bigger than these two candles. Then I'd say you're probably good to enter, and it's really respecting this 618 level. So yeah, we're gonna wait on that. I got my alert set for the moving average. I can delete this one. I don't need this one, but yeah, I got my alert set for my 1 hour moving average. So when price crosses above this moving average, then I'm really going to consider a long position. But until then, there's just no bull momentum in the market for me to want to enter this. But I do think it's very bullish, and I do think it could, it'll definitely head back up to 82 cents where it resisted up here previously. So that's my take on Ripple.